SERV Stock Analysis Friday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, and I'm covering this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. With SERV Robotics, I'm seeing a 11.56 price and then like 6% down. For this market, I'm looking to take it even higher, and it kind of zoomed up without me, which you can see, like, if you can't tell, when the price was here, like, we were right there. You know, this is the high, this is the low. I was looking to take for the price to come lower and then deliver. What happened is it actually did that, but never gave me the rules, and now we're again here. In this situation, I'll just move everything to the right, because right now, specifically, I'm looking to do the same exact thing. On this other side, though, like, hopefully I get the rules right now, this time. Because if I don't, obviously I'm not going to trade. So how SERV looks like right now is that I'm going to long only if I see a proper double break. And if not, then it is what it is. So if you want to learn the strategy, click the first link in the description. There is a free newsletter.